y'all, it's your girl Annitra here with Different by Design, where faith and fashion connects. I'm coming to you with another video. If you are returning to my channel to watch another one of my videos, hey girl, hey. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. Make yourself at home. Click that like button, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion. So this is an SLG haul that should have been made like a month ago. And like it's been in the forefront of my mind, but I just couldn't seem to find the time to sit my behind still. Thank you, Mary Mary, for those lyrics, okay? That's not what they said, or whatever Mary Mary said, okay? So we have boxes. I feel like I should open them in the order that they were received. Yes, so the excitement of sharing and the excitement of finally getting them, I wanted to share them with you guys, so that's why I held off. So this will probably be a two-parter. It'll be a haul and a what's in my bag, so you guys can see how I plan on using these items. I don't know how I'm gonna work it yet, but just stay tuned so you can be in the know, okay? So first up, Nordstrom Cares. All right, so first up we have this item here, and this is by Marc Jacobs. And if you didn't know it was by Marc Jacobs, Marc Jacobs will tell you all over the item that it is by Marc Jacobs. And this piece here, the packaging is pristine. Let's see, I'll put the name of the item here because y'all, it's been so long I forgot the actual name. But yes, now I will say, I don't know why, but bags that I've purchased from Marc Jacobs, directly from Marc Jacobs or an actual retailer of Marc Jacobs, have not come with the exception of maybe two, have not come with dust bags. However, every SLG that I've purchased from Marc Jacobs or a retailer that sells Marc Jacobs comes with a dust bag. Make it make sense, sis. Okay, so this, so excited for this item that I can't remember the name of, but this piece here, it is a card holder, jacquard, signature jacquard print, okay? If you don't know what bags I'm going to use this with, I don't know what to tell you, sis. You really are new here, and that's okay. Hello and welcome. But for you girlies who have been rocking with me for the longest time, y'all know what bags I'm going to use this piece with, okay? I love a good jacquard situation. And then, like I said, if you didn't know who made it, if you couldn't tell by the jacquard, hot stamped, Marc Jacobs NYC 1994. This leather is buttery soft, silver hardware. Y'all know Marc Jacobs gets me, okay? And then we have this wristlet strap. So this is a card holder. It's a card holder. It has several card slots. It has the wristlet strap here. You have this front compartment. It's two compartments here, actually. 2 slots. You have 3 slots here. You have the zippered compartments here. Okay. Is there any money in here? That'd have been nice, Marc. Put some money in here. That'd have been amazing. But yes, and it has a little key. Hype all over again. Yes. Okay. So that is this piece here. So excited. It's a keeper. Yes, but if you don't know, like I said, if you are new to my channel, girl, hello and welcome. Make yourself at home, have a seat. Old people scoot over so the new people can sit down, okay? So they can get up close and personal view. But yes, I love when I find SLGs. I love when I find SLGs. I've been chilling on buying bags lately, but I've been stocking up on SLGs to go with bags I already have. Yes, so one last look at this item. Yes, and so I was excited to find that piece. I was even more excited to find this piece, okay? And all of my SOG loving, what's in my bag making girlies know that the more SOGs you can find to match a bag or to match multiple bags, the better, okay? This piece here was no exception. Again, another SOG with a dust bag. Marc, we must talk. So I have been eyeing this piece down since the summertime. And I finally, oh, look at her height. Come on, sis. Let me know, you're just giving your stuff away. Be more demure. Sis, slow down. I'm just ready to toss it at whoever's looking. Hype, slow down, sis. Be more modest. Be more mindful. Let me try this again. So this piece, there you go. There you go. I have been eyeing this piece down on the Nordstrom Rack website since the summertime, okay? I knew we were meant to be together. I don't know why I thought it was bigger, but it is what it is. Again, another jacquard, signature jacquard piece with the hot stamped, buttery soft leather. Listen, okay? More silver hardware. We all love a good pouch, okay? Catch-all pouch. I don't know why I like this smell. A good okay, baby don't mind. A good catch-all pouch, a good makeup pouch. Listen, you can turn, oh, see, why is there only one D-ring on the side? I was getting ready to say you can turn it into a little crossbody, but you can't. You can't. Yeah, but a little catch-all pouch. Listen. Oh, I love this combination so much. Okay. And so there's that. And then I came across, okay, another Nordstrom Cares piece. Nordstrom Cares. This item, yet another SOG with a dust bag, and this is actually so now listen, okay, don't be fast, don't be fast. Put the little dust bag down. And so this is a wallet, okay? This is a wallet, but I was thinking, because we have the card holder in the signature cord, if we have the wallet in the signature cord, we can use this as a coin pouch because we can't stuff coins in here. Now I would try. So I figured because we have the card holder, we can use the wallet as the coin pouch, because will I try to fit coins in here? Perhaps, okay? But this is more fitting to hold coins. And so, yes. Coins, additional cards. It has 2 slots on this side. It has the Marc Jacobs hot stamped in silver. And then, so basically each side has 2 card slots, and then the wide open space, card slots on the back. Yes, honey. I was like, oh yes. Any other pieces that they happen to, like, I am still looking to see what other pieces I can find in this collection. I do know that there was a Marc, there was like a mini Marc bag, and then there's like a mini barrel bag. I was like, can I pull? So like if I carry a big bag and I don't want to carry like my big bag into the store, should I get the mini Marc in the jacquard, put that in like the tote bag, pull that out as like the same way you would handle like an Olita, or should I just use this for that purpose? Like take this out of the tote bag, carry this under my arm as like a little clutch. Listen. But I was like, yes, when I saw this in the store and then when I saw it online, I was like, yes, we are meant to be, okay? We are meant to be. I love a good jacquard. This smells incredible. It smells like new furniture. It smells like upholstery. Random and weird, I know, but yes, these items will be linked below. Get your life, sis, get your life. For all my girlies out there who love a good what's in my bag and we like our accessories to coordinate, okay? Yes, last but not least, because it is my channel, okay, we have a piece from Kurt. Now, I saw this piece and there were other options, but I went with this one because my drench, my black drench, I believe at this time is the only, it's not. Take this, retract that statement. So I have been trying to find card holders or wallets, etc., etc., to coordinate with my XXL kg bags, okay? This item was on sale, okay? And this is a drench wallet. So this matches perfectly, I believe, with my XX, it does. My XXL drench, the black, because it has the matte black hardware, like the Eagle hat, and the matte, yeah, the matte black hardware. Yes, honey. And so it has Kurt Geiger hot stamps on the inside, card slots, money slots, no, and then it has the coins. You can try to squeeze coins in here if you want. I won't, I don't think, but yes, 2 coin compartments. Yes. So this is for my XXL Kensington drench in black. I love this because what's missing, guys? What's missing? That's right, you guessed it, the eagle head. So it just has the little matte black bar, okay? That's it, that's all. That's all we need, honestly. That's all we need. So yes, if you have enjoyed this mini SLG haul, okay? We are trying to expand our SLG collection. Yes, honey. If you have enjoyed this haul, let me know what you think in the comments below. Low key, I'm still trying to figure out different ways that I can incorporate these pieces because I just think they're like so adorable. So adorable. I don't know what I'm going to use them for. Sis, how about you just use them to store the item that they came with? Okay, we don't always have to be creative with everything. You know, some things can serve the purpose that they were meant to serve. Some stuff can just be used for the purpose they were used for. That's a whole word, yes. But if you have enjoyed this brief SLG haul, you know what to do. Like, comment, share, subscribe, notification bell, so you can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion on my channel. And so also, you can also stay tuned for the what's in my bag when I style these little pieces up. Again, my name is Annitra with Different by Design, where faith and fashion connects, and you have a great week.